February 4th, so these are February 3rd babies. So yesterday we came out to the school farm to check on all the critters like we always do, and we got to assist Mom here, our lucky number 5, with birthing her babies. One of them was already born and she was cleaning and caring for that one. And then yes, you want your 2 cents too, don't you? And we got to help this little guy be born. My nephew was, one of our students was lucky enough to take the video, and that was the first time he'd ever seen like an animal be born. I think he was a little awestruck. And then once the babies were born, we kind of helped Mom dry this one off and make sure everybody was good. We stuck around and let them bond for a while until I saw them both nurse. And then we tucked them in under the nice warm light over there and let them, you know, just be mom and babies for the night. So these 2 are literally just born. They're still a little bit damp from...
We're talking minutes ago.
Like, yeah, probably within the last hour to have both of them and get them all cleaned up and everything. So in fact, the placenta is still over there and she'll deal with that in a minute. So it's very recent. So now I'll stick around for a little bit and make sure that, you know, both babies nurse. And once I see both of them nurse, then we're off to a pretty good start. Let's see, so we've got Mia and Tia and the 2 boys out back. So they're here because inclement weather, and we just wanted everybody close for that. So they're in the pasture out back, so that's 4. We have the 3 moms, so that's 7. And now we have another 5, so 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, some of these babies might go to students for student projects. They might stay and grow the herd for grazing and fire abatement. So we'll just kind of see what the interest level is for student projects. And we might continue into breeding. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But we definitely are planning a day for the kids to be out here. We're also planning a day right after spring break to have middle school and elementary schools come out. So my small animal care class and then my animal science classes, they're all going to do presentations with the kids with an interactive component. And we're going to set up stations in each of the barns. And so there might be like how to show a rabbit. And so we'll have a rabbit out here, or you know, what does it take to, depending on the grade level, of course. But, you know, we'll make it grade appropriate. We do have like some story time books and stuff like that where we could sit down and read them a book about a lamb and then have the kids meet a real lamb, you know, that kind of thing. So it's going to be a lot of fun in the spring.